All right, so we discovered today that the Quack is making a god-awful racket. I think it's the motor, so we're gonna give her a warrior's farewell. Right back.
And away we go. More. I think he fixed it. It's fixed.
Hell yeah! I fucking fixed it! Hey, it's an Italian chin-up. Bro, it's really not knocking no more. Yeah, that's crazy.
I knew that would probably fucking happen with some weird reason.
Damn, look at these tires.
Yeah, now we need new tires again, but...
Oh, those are hot boys.
Well, I should probably cut a 1/6.
Oh man, launch it. Unhook and launch it.
Launch it!
Oh man.
Unhook it. Launch this bitch.
I can't pull that. It's a little tight. Bro, what just happened?
You fixed your car.
Yeah, you fixed it.
That's amazing.
That's exactly what happened.
Holy shit!
Oh yeah, that happens when this car does burnouts. That happened after what, the first gambler?
Yeah.
Over there?
Yeah. Hell yeah. Fixed that.
These fucking doors
Hey,
now.
You broke the road. You fucked the road up. Hell yeah. That was a fucking rod knock, right? Yeah.
It sounded like it. It might have just been oil pressure. And it just needed some RPM or something. I don't know.
Maybe. It's running like a rape tape now.
Yeah, launch it.
Yeah, send it.
Launch is dip in.
I guess she works again.
All the
Hey, your tires are a little sticky.
all the rocks.
Tires are a little
Oh shit.
I keep it cooled on now. I was gonna let it overheat.
Dude, I love flicking rubber in the asphalt on the car.
Oh, the
Oh,
Quack
sticky.
lives on. Damn.
She lives.
Bro, Alex, just launch this fucking car real quick. Bro, those tires are so goddamn sticky. Man, that's amazing. What the fuck?
Oh no, man. Saturn shit.
Just Saturn things. Hey, that tire doesn't have a ton of air. No. So many rocks. Bro, how is that thing still alive?
ABG.
I tried to kill it and it was like, nah. Well, I guess we fixed it. That rod knock didn't care, so it went away. That was weird. That was definitely sounded like a rod knock. That was
kind of drivetrain.
It was inside the motor, bro. I heard it. It was inside the motor. I don't know. I don't know what just happened, but the Quack lives on, I guess. Yeah. So
Yeah, man.
we had already started looking up like new cars. Like this is it is what it is. I guess the Quack shall gobble this year after all. Peace.